Hi guys. Welcome back to iMyFone channel. Have you ever had your iPhone stuck on the Apple logo due to a full storage? Don't despair. You can troubleshoot this issue with some simple steps. Just follow my video guide to get your iPhone back to normal. Let's get started. Step 1. Try a force restart to see if your phone can function normally. Unlike a normal restart, a force restart can restore your iPhone to its default state. For iPhone 8 and later, quickly press and release the volume up button, follow with the volume down button. Keep pressing and holding the side button until you see the Apple logo. If restarting doesn't work, I recommend using a third-party tool, iMyFone-Fixppo, to fix the iPhone stuck on the Apple logo. This method won't result in data loss. If that doesn't help, you can use iTunes to reset your phone, but it will erase your data, so be sure to back it up first. Step 2. Try iOS System Repair Tool. Using Fixppo won't cause any data loss. Let me show you. Step 1. Download and install iMyFone-Fixppo on your computer. Step 2. Launch the program and connect your iPhone to the computer. Select the standard mode and follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. Step 3. Download the firmware for your iPhone and start the repair process. Step 4. Wait for the repair to complete and your iPhone should be fixed. Now, let's check if your iPhone is still stuck on the Apple logo. Look, the iPhone is fixed. You can now use it freely. If it didn't work, don't worry, just move on to the next step. Step 3. Restore iPhone via iTunes. This can help free up storage space on your phone, but it will result in data loss, so please ensure you backed up your data. First, connect your device to a computer and open iTunes. Make sure that your iTunes is updated to the latest version. Then, put your iPhone in recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and later, press the volume up and then volume down keys. Keep holding the power button, wait until the recovery mode appears. And now your device's information will now be shown, click on the Restore iPhone. Then your phone will proceed to reset. Now, let's check if it's still stuck on the Apple logo. Clearly, your phone is functioning normally, but the data is gone. That's why I recommend using Fixppo first to fix your phone. Alright, that's it for today. If this video helps, please hit it with a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Any questions, please leave a comment below. See you guys in the next video.